How to fix DoorDash app won't let me place order. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix DoorDash application won't let me place order. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for DoorDash. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here scroll down and find the DoorDash application and tap on it. Now tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if your issue is fixed or not. If not, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the DoorDash application. You will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for DoorDash and reinstall the app again. Once reinstalled, open the application and use the application further and your DoorDash application should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix DoorDash app won't let me place order. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.